everyone, welcome to our channel. It's Not Life Philippines. It's Sunday evening and we're here in a place here in Pampanga. And
Camachilis,
yes, it's
Camachilis, Balakat,
And then
Camachilis.
we just celebrate my sister baby. It's her 2 months old right now and we need to celebrate.
So you show how to celebrate. Hi.
We just eat little bit, celebrate, like eat in outside, and also it's family day, and we've been in church before.
What is this?
It's just it.
Huh?
It's good.
I don't know what is
I
this.
will take it.
Janok cook today. What you cook?
Jones, pork Jones.
Noodles, Shaira.
Yes.
Noodles.
Kunin nyo na yan, Mami. Mami, kunin mo na yung sandin at paparefill na natin. No, not it.
You want cook? You want cook?
Oo nga, konti lang naman to. Bibigay ko na namin.
I'm already full. But Shaira cooked before. She eat now. Shaira, how much for one person? 270. 270. She cannot talk because she eat now. Are you hungry? You always hungry, I know. Okay, 270 is food menu, this one. 220 have, 270, and 420. Shaira, what for 420? It's for big family.
No.
Different menu.
Has with beef.
Huh?
With beef.
Beef. But this is don't have beef. 270 is only unlimited some gipsal, fried chicken,
Right. Side dishes.
side dishes also, all unlimited. Janok, what name, but what you cook? What?
Enoki mushroom.
Ah, mushroom, okay. You cook also? Okay, you can eat. But so many fry, Shaira. For me, I cannot eat so many fry. But for you, it's okay.
I will show how.
Okay, show. Kimchi, yes? Oh. Okay, talk now. Talk. This is restaurant. No, it's not restaurant. It's an open place. Only weekend or always? Always open. But I know many people in the weekend here. So many. When I pass here, this road, it's Kamachilis road. So many people always here sit. Are you finished already? Finish it already. I will walk a little bit nearby and check. Janok, it's all place for like food court.
Yeah, like first.
Oh, also Korean snacks. Yes, shawarma also. Bean Brew Cafe, cafe shop. Balut 25 peso. Pinoy 15 peso. This is Kamachilis Road to our home. Watching.
Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe and like.